Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the pixels. Duplicate the background layer right away so you can revert. Once done, zoom tightly to the semi-transparent edges and hide any unnecessary layers to avoid visual confusion. Make sure your file is in 8-bit mode so blending math is predictable. Higher bit depths can mask small transparency issues in previews. Now select the duplicated layer and open the Layers panel menu. You'll need quick access to blend and mask commands in the next steps. You'll now isolate the semi-transparent fringe using Select Color Range. Click on the fringe and set fuzziness until only the translucent pixels are selected. Once selected, add a layer mask. This lets you edit the transparency non-destructively. From the Properties panel, use Mask Edge or simply adjust feather and contrast to tighten the mask. Then apply a levels adjustment directly to the mask. Pushing the shadow slider right removes faint alpha, while moving output whitens reclaimed edges for a clean transition. Finish by zooming out and inspecting at normal view. You might need to touch the mask with a soft brush at mid-opacity to remove tiny artifacts. If color halos persist, make a stamped visible layer and use Clone Stamp or Healing Brush set to sample all layers to repaint problem pixels. Make sure to compare against the original by toggling the duplicated layer on and off. If adjustments look too harsh, lighten the mask via levels or reduce brush opacity. This preserves natural edge blending while eliminating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.